YouTube.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Shout out to my boy Bito. He finally made it to his first car meet. There's like no cars right now. I don't know. What do you gotta say?
Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed.
Me too.
I thought it was more cars here. I mean, we did come late, but it's okay.
It's because we're illegal, right?
Yeah.
So this is what I bought for $80. This is my boost gauge, and then this is my old air vent that I just took out from my car. So right now I'm gonna send it down with 180 because the boost gauge currently doesn't fit. And then I'm installing it in. 180. I don't care if it's how smooth it is. I just want to sand it down because it doesn't matter. It's not gonna be shown. So I just sand it down and now I test fit my gauge. Because before it didn't fit, and it said if it doesn't fit, you have to sand it down because it'll crack, which I think it kind of did on this side. Alright, so after doing a lot of work off camera, finally got the gauge on. Oh man, it looks so cool. I wish it didn't stick out so much, but it's alright. At least it's gonna scream out turbo. I didn't put this piece back on because I'm not sure exactly what it did, but I still have this band to close it right here. So I wasn't sure what this one was for, so I disconnected it. I already had a hole right there to run my hose and my wires. Now I can put it back on. Here's the hose running this way. I'm gonna run it back, make a hole. I got the ground screwed back here, and now I'm just gonna take out the stereo so I can run a power source. I'm gonna run it directly from the stereo so it can light up and look badass. So I'm gonna take this off. So hot in Texas, bro. It's like 100 degrees. I'm sweating ass. All right, let's take it. I was gonna take out, since I knew I was gonna have to take out the console to tap into the stereo to power my gauge. I went ahead and ordered a new boot. Took advantage, doing 2-in-1. And if it didn't have the blue, it looked nice, but the blue does kind of match with the neo chrome. So I really like it. I like the theme that's going in the car. Definitely looks cool. I dig it. So yeah, I took out the stereo, tapped into the power source for my gauge. See, now I just need to drill a hole into my firewall so I can pass this hose in and tap in to my vacuum lines. Looks nice. Just gotta finish putting it all back on. Man, I love the new look it's having. So I got the T fitting in. I tapped into the fuel regulator pressure, whatever. See, it runs through this right here from the sensor, and then blah blah. It comes back here. So I just spliced it, and then I put the C fitting in, and I ran this through. I ran it through the boot. Got my boost gauge on. As you can see, it's tapped into the stereo, and I got the vacuum line in. On this side right here, of course, because I need to know my oil pressure and my oil temperature, blah blah. My air fuel ratio, definitely the gauge. Love the sounds. Best thing you can ever get. Shout out to Dsm Boosted. Like, comment, subscribe.
You say you got for me, there ain't no loyalty, you lie to me. You
poking you. Hit it from the back, let it be a bleeding.